Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here and you're watching the detailed camera review of the new iPhone 12, the latest smartphone from Apple under the 12 series. So the iPhone 12 comes with 12 megapixel dual cameras and a 12 megapixel selfie camera. So let's find out how the camera performs. So if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. Now coming back to the review, let's first have a look at the camera hardware. The iPhone 12 comes with a 12 megapixel primary sensor with f1.6 aperture and 7 element lens. There is 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with f2.4 aperture. There is also true tone flash with slow sync. There is also smart HDR and optical image stabilization included for the rear camera. It can also record HDR video with Dolby Vision up to 30 fps. The front camera is a 12 megapixel shooter with f2.2 aperture and comes with features like smart HDR and night mode. So let's find out how the camera performs. First, let's have a look at the video quality. The phone can record videos in 4K at 60 fps and the quality is extremely good. The colors are almost natural and the stabilization is great. The details and sharpness levels are impressive. The phone can also record 4K at 30 fps. The HDR video recording with Dolby Vision works great and the color reproduction is well maintained. The phone also comes with 1080p resolution at 60 fps and here again optical image stabilization works pretty well and the quality is impressive. The 1080p at 30 fps is once again impressive. Overall, if you're looking for a great camera smartphone with exceptional video recording capabilities, the iPhone 12 is probably the best in this price segment. The phone can also do 4K and 1080p resolution videos with both 60 and 30 fps with ultra wide angle camera as well, and the colors are good and it offers great stabilization as well. Now moving on to the daylight captures. The 12 megapixel camera does an impressive job with great details and excellent sharpness levels. The colors are also very impressive and there is no saturation issues. iPhones have known for great color reproduction and you get almost natural color. The sharpness levels are impressive and this is evident when you zoom in. The smart HDR option also does a great job with dynamic range, which is once again impressive. If you are looking for a camera smartphone with true natural colors, look no further. iPhone 12 is the pick. Now moving on to ultra wide, the samples have come great with good colors and great details too. There is also ultra wide lens correction available. Next step, the close-up shots taken with the iPhone 12 came out well once again with great accurate colors. The details are impressive and so is the dynamic range. Very rarely we see smartphones producing reds properly and most of the cases it becomes oversaturated, and here iPhone 12 picks up almost natural colors. The sharpness levels are once again impressive. Now moving on to the portraits. iPhones are capable of true to life portraits and this is evident from the portraits taken with iPhone 12. The skin tones are natural and the skin details are very impressive. The edge detection is once again impressive and does an overall great job. Moving on to the low light captures. With f1.6 aperture, the iPhone 12 can take some really good low light images, and under indoor lighting conditions, the images are good details and noise is minimal or not visible. In extreme low light condition, the night mode automatically kicks in and decides on the exposure and shutter speed automatically. It can produce some stunning results in a low light, which is far better than some of the Android smartphones in this price segment. The details, colors and also sharpness levels are impressive. The ultra wide angle camera can also do night mode and they have pretty good, even though they're not as good as the primary camera. Finally, the selfie camera. The 12 megapixel selfie camera can take some great selfies. If you're looking for selfies with beauty mode and additional whitening option, this is not the one for you. But if you're looking for natural looking selfies with great details and excellent dynamic range, then you should be greeted with some amazing results. The phone can also do portrait mode for selfies, and here again it's good in terms of edge detection. There is also night mode for selfie camera, which really surprised with the amazing results it offered. So this is the front facing camera sample taken with iPhone 12. It can record videos in both 4K and 1080p resolution. 4K it can go up to 4K at 60 fps, and this video has been shot at 4K 60 fps. So you can judge yourself how good the clarity is and also the audio output from the video. So summing up, how good is the iPhone 12 in terms of camera? In one word, if I had to describe the camera on the iPhone 12, then that word would be exceptional. iPhone 12 sets up new benchmark in camera performance with excellent results in video, rear camera and also selfie camera. If camera is your priority, without doubt the iPhone 12 is the one to go at this price segment. If budget is less, you can also consider iPhone 12 mini with similar camera hardware. So that was a detailed camera review of the iPhone 12. So what do you guys think about the camera on the iPhone 12? Do share in your thoughts in the comment section. This is Nirmal signing off with a camera review of the iPhone 12. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.